In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate a statement of cash flows report using the direct method in Xero. We'll be walking through this process step by step to ensure you can easily follow along and apply it to your own financial reporting tasks. Let's dive right in. To start off, you'll want to navigate directly to the reporting menu within Xero. This is where you'll find a treasure trove of financial insights waiting to be unlocked. Once you're there, click on All Reports. This will present you with a comprehensive list of all the reports available, providing you a full-spectrum view of your business's financial standing. The next important task is to locate the Statement of Cash Flows Direct Method report. You might notice that the list of reports is extensive, which is where the search bar becomes very handy. Simply type in the name of the report, and it should quickly appear, saving you time and making the process more efficient. After you've selected the Statement of Cash Flows report, it's time to set your desired date range. This tool is essential as it allows you to tailor the report to meet your specific needs. You can choose from options like this quarter or last month, depending on the period you wish to analyze. This flexibility ensures that the report is relevant and aligned with the timeline you're focusing on, allowing you to gain the most accurate insights. Customization of the report is the next step, which adds another layer of detail to your analysis. Here, you can select additional options like adding a comparison period. This is incredibly useful for seeing how your cash flows are evolving over time. Another option is filtering by tracking categories, which organizes your data into meaningful segments for a more nuanced understanding. Taking the time to customize this report will provide you with a clearer picture of your business's cash position. Once you have set the date range and customized the report to your satisfaction, the next step is to click Update. This action will generate your report, allowing you to view your comprehensive financial summary. Take a moment to review the data presented. With this report, you gain crucial insights into where your cash is coming from and where it's going, directly supporting more informed decision-making for your business. And there you have it. You've successfully generated a Statement of Cash Flows Direct Method report in Xero. This document is an invaluable tool for understanding your cash flow dynamics, helping you to manage your finances more effectively and strategically. Thank you for following along today. Make sure to apply these steps whenever you need detailed insights into your cash flow, and feel free to revisit this tutorial as needed. Until next time, happy reporting!